Good morning, sir. My name is Nandini. I am from CSE B section, and today my topic is solution to reduce consumer waste. Outline of consumer waste is introduction, definition of consumer waste, the environmental impact, sustainable packaging solutions, emphasizing reusability, education and awareness, case study on the impact of plastic bags bans in various countries. First, we are going to the introduction. Consumer waste has become a growing environmental issue with global waste generation expected to increase by 70% by 2050. The average person produces nearly 5 pounds of waste daily, contributing to pollution, resource depletion, and climate change. Food waste alone accounts for a third of global food production, and plastic waste continues to flood our oceans. Next, definition of consumer waste. Consumer waste refers to discarded materials, products, and packaging that result from the consumption of goods and services by individuals or households. It includes items that are no longer useful or wanted, such as packaging waste. Example, plastic bottles, cardboard, food scraps, old electronics, e-waste, clothing, and other everyday products. The environmental impact. The environmental impact of consumer waste is significant as it contributes to pollution, resource depletion, and climate change. When waste is discarded in landfills, it emits methane, a potent greenhouse gas that aggravates global warming. Plastics, which take hundreds of years to decompose, often end up in oceans, harming marine life and ecosystems. The extraction of resources for manufacturing goods also leads to deforestation, habitat loss, and soil degradation. And next, sustainable packaging solutions. Sustainable packaging solutions focus on reducing environmental impact by using eco-friendly materials and minimizing key points include minimalist packaging, reduces excess material, and simplifies design to cut down the waste. Biodegradable and compostable materials used plant-based plastics naturally done by the environment. Recyclable materials promotes packaging made from materials like glass, metal, and certain plastics that can be easily recycled. And emphasizing reusability. Emphasizing reusability is key strategy for reducing consumer waste by encouraging the use of products that can be used multiple times instead of a single use. The key points are reusable bags, replacing recomposable plastic bags with durable washable alternatives like cloth bags. Reusable bottles and containers. Using refillable water bottles, food containers, and coffee cups cuts down on single-use plastics and packaging. Education and awareness. Waste reduction and education. Teaching consumers about the benefits of reducing waste, such as choosing products with less packaging or opting for reusable items. Proper recycling practices. Educating people on how to properly sort recyclables, avoid contamination. Sustainability campaigns. Using public campaigns and social media to raise awareness about the environmental effects of waste and encourage conscious consumption. A case study on the impact of plastic bags in various countries. The outline is introduction to plastic bags, Kenya, a landmark plastic bag ban, European, Rwanda, and California. First, we are moving to the introduction to plastic bags. Plastic bag bans are legally restrictions for prohibitions on the use of single-use plastic bags aimed at reducing environmental pollution caused by these bags, which can take centuries to decompose and often end up in oceans and landfills. These bans have been implemented worldwide to mitigate plastic waste, protect wildlife, and encourage use of reusable alternatives. Countries and regions such as European Union, the United States, and parts of Africa and Asia have adopted various degrees of plastic bag restrictions like reduced pollution and waste. And Kenya, a landmark plastic bag ban. Kenya plastic bag ban implemented in 2070 is considered one of the strictest in the world. The country banned the production, sale, and use of plastic bags with severe penalties for all offenders and even jail time also. This landmark move was driven by need to address widespread plastic pollution which was harming wildlife, causing drainage systems and contaminating the environment. Kenya's bold action has also inspired other nations in Africa and beyond to adopt similar measures. European Union and regional approach. The European Union has taken a regional approach to tackling plastic waste through legislation aimed at reducing the consumption of single-use plastics, including plastic bags in 2015. The European Union introduced a directive requiring member states to reduce the use of plastic carrier bags to no more than 90 per person per year by 2019 and 40 bags by 2025. And then European Union countries have implemented bans, fees, or incentives to reduce plastic bag usage, such as France's complete ban on single-use plastic bags and Iran lands introduction of a plastic bag levy. These measures have led to a significant decrease in plastic bag consumption and helped raise public awareness about plastic pollution. The European Union's coordinated strategy reflects a growing commitment to environmental sustainability and the circular economy across the continent. Wanda, a pioneer in plastic bag bans. Wanda has long been a pioneer in plastic bag bans, implementing one of the earliest and most stringent measures in Africa. In 2028, Rwanda became the first country on the continent to ban the production, importation, and use of plastic bags. The serious environmental threats posed by plastic waste. The government has actively promoted the use of eco-friendly alternatives, and capital Kilangui is often hailed as one of the cleanest cities in Africa. California, USA statewide ban and fee. California has implemented a statewide ban on single-use plastic bags and imposed a fee on paper bags in stores. Environmental sustainability. The law, which took effect in 2016, requires retailers to charge customers at least 10 cents for each paper bag used, with the proceeds helping cover the cost of providing reusable alternatives and maintaining waste reduction programs. The ban and free are part of a broader strategy to reduce litter and protect wildlife by encouraging use of reusable bags. And then this is about a diagram according to the plastic waste percentage in various countries. So thank you so much.